Hello, Timothy. I saw your scenario. That was a great one. First, I want to thank you for having that published. So, I just want to comment on the patient. So, like I mentioned, that was a great scenario. So, from your presentation, I suspect there is some sort of infection going on, judging by the WBC level. A hemoglobin of 5.2, which eventually went up to 7 or after 2 units of blood, still indicates patient is anemic. Um, Studies have indicated that that decreased bone mineral density and osteoporosis are associated with IDA, and according to the authors, there is some belief that this may relate to the role of iron in collagen synthesis and vitamin T metabolism and hypoxia. So, also, it is necessary to control, moreover, it is necessary to control cell division and differentiation, mitochondrial energy production, DNA replication and repair, and immune response against pathogenic microorganisms. So iron level in the human body are tightly controlled through intestinal absorption, since mammalians do not have a specific active iron excretory mechanism. So for this patient, um, I would say there are so many several nutrients which can improve iron bio availability, such as vitamin C. Um, I believe and I know that from studies that a vital education to give to this patient is about foods or supplements high in vitamin C. Um, Also, patients should be encouraged to drink milk because that is where enriched with iron, um, and that could help in vitamin absorption. Overall, patients should also be educated or informed about reporting any um, i- sign of infection, and to report that to the healthcare provider right away. Thank you so much, Timothy, for that scenario presented.